Guys, Father's Day is right around the corner, and if you are looking for the perfect Father's Day gift, then stick around. I'm going to do an unboxing and review of the Terelax, the Shiatsu foot and calf leg massager with rolling and kneading and heat. It has all the things. The Shiatsu foot and calf leg massager with heat, deep kneading, and rolling power. First thing you're gonna notice here is this 360-degree support bar. This is gonna allow you to not only do, it'll prop it up so you can do just your standard foot massages, but you can position this 360-degree support bar so you can massage your feet, your calves, your arms. So basically with this bar, you're able to move it and prop it up, allowing you to have better positioning for different parts of your body that you want to massage. So if you're looking at the home screen, this is where all the controls are. Now it does also come with a remote control. So if you're sitting on the couch and you want to change modes, you don't even have to bend over. Perfect for someone who may be a little bit elderly, who's not as quick on their feet or able to get down to change the modes. The remote is very, very helpful in those situations. So obviously power button right in the middle turns the unit on, and it's going to automatically start massaging in mode 1. Now it does have 3 preset modes. You can choose from different modes right here through the mode button, and it will circulate and massage your feet according to your needs. The massage speed right here and the massage direction can be changed. Here's direction. So both of these, you're able to configure them to your preferences. It's going to provide not only the deep kneading massage, but it will also provide a rolling massage at the bottom. Perfect for foot stiffness, fatigued muscles. It helps improve blood circulation. It will revitalize tired muscles. It relieves fatigue. Here you can see I've adjusted the heat, and it'll show that the device is heating. You can see that it automatically sets a timer for 15-minute intervals, so you're able to relax and know that the Terelax is automatically on a timer for a 15-minute interval. Here I can circulate through the different modes. It'll tell me on the screen which mode you're circulating through. Here's mode 3, mode 1, and mode 2. And it will automatically circulate through the different settings for those 3 modes. It's the perfect foot massager for where you're sitting on the couch watching TV. Also has 3 different levels of heat. You can select the appropriate heating level for your feet to promote better blood circulation. It starts off with a slow heating method. It will protect your feet from burns. You don't have to worry about it overheating. The fast heating method goes approximately 3 to 5 minutes, and it is located on the soles of the feet. You'll be able to feel local warmth through the bottom portion, and it reaches a maximum temperature of approximately 108 degrees. So not only is this foot massager extremely lightweight, but this bar is 360 degrees, and this allows you to position it to your preferred angle, whatever is most comfortable for you.